finding it difficult to gather a lot of points, just like myself, in this particular Durov airdrop, this particular video is for you. Do you know there are some certain other simple tasks that this airdrop have actually added? They are hidden, which you can do and you get some point. Maybe you are kind of somebody that could not refer, and this particular project or airdrop is solemnly depending on those who can actually refer, because if you're able to refer, you'll be able to increase your point. And this is the point I'm actually talking here. Currently I was able to do some of the attacks, and that was what gave me this particular point. There is 155, and after that, when you come back to this particular referral section, let's say invite friends, let's go to friend. You see I have 0 friends. Okay, I have just one person. That was my second telegram that was able to invite. Yes, and that got me 5 points. So maybe you are someone that you are unable to refer. There are some other indie tasks now that you can definitely do for you to increase your chances of increasing your points so that you could position yourself. So if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe and also click on the bell notification and like and subscribe to the particular channel so that any time we upload other new video, you'll be able to get notified. So let me show you something really quick before I show you these other tasks. These are the tasks that you need to do. Let me show you something. When you move down to this place, let's look at the top people here. When you tap on it, you can see these are the top people having top point in this particular airdrop program that we are doing. Let me show you. You can see the list. This one is having around 576,000. That is the person in the first position, 415, and the next person that follows is having 576,200, and the other one is up. So now if you're having little, mind you, maybe you're having like 100 like me, and you are not having much, do you see that we have a long way to go? And if you have not even gotten up to 100, that means there are some other tasks that we have not actually done. So you need to come to this task section here. You are still having maybe 5 or 0 point and don't really, let me quickly show you that particular one. So you tap on this tax section here. The first thing you just need to do is, number one, you need to share on your story. This is the first one. When you share on the story, you see it will give you 50 tickets, and when you subscribe to their channel on Telegram, it will give 100. So with that, you'll be able to get around 150. Then what makes my own to be 155 is that I've invited one friend. That means for each particular friends you invite, you'll be able to get 50 tickets. And mind you that if you're able to invite 3 friends, you have 50 tickets. And if you invite 5 friends, you have 100 tickets. And if you invite, let's say, 10 friends, that will give you 150 tickets. So let's say you are unable to invite friends and you want to increase your ticket. So this is what you need to do. There's a tax section that is newly added, which I'm about to show with you. So if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you subscribe to a particular channel. So you tap on this question mark. Let me show you what is there. Do you see it is? We have around 4 days left to go now. So it's showing us that for the day one, it says tax, there is a tax that is available. And let me show you how to do that particular tax. You can see it's telling us that hidden tax. If you read the description here, it's telling us that it is an hidden tax that we just have to find a way. You say complete hidden tax every day to get a reward. 1 day, 1 tax. So for each day, you will get a reward. Let's come down to this place. What you need to do is that all this cap, you just need to tap on them one after the other. You tap on the first one, you tap on the second one, and you tap on the third one. So then you reload. I mean this. So the first one, you tap on this first one, then you tap on the second one, you tap on this third one after the other. When you are able to tap it, you see the color will change, and then reload the page. Then you see that this point will definitely increase. We have just 4 days left. Let me tap on the first one. I've tapped on the first one. You can see it changed. Tap on the second one, yes, and definitely tap on the third one. So this is it. So what you just have to do is to reload. Let it reload. You could see now that I've actually reloaded, and my point here has actually increased. That means I've completed the task. You see I'm having 205 now. Around 50 was added. So let's go back, and let's go back to the task for this particular today. You can see now that here now it's showing that the tasks have been completed. So I think by evening is always reloaded evening, just like the way we did Amsterdam, for us to actually know the card for this particular days. So that is how to do the one for today. You see, it's done. So by evening today now, I'll be doing the one for today. This is actually the one for that yesterday. So I'll be doing the one for today now. And also I'll be dropping the video to show you how to perform that particular task. So if this video was really helpful, please kindly like, share, and click on the bell notification anytime we upload video. Thank you.